Hello, travelers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we have an exciting journey ahead as we explore the beauty, culture, and history of Palestine. Get ready to be captivated by this remarkable destination. Our journey begins in the heart of the Middle East, a land with a rich tapestry of history. Palestine is a land of contrasts, where ancient traditions meet modern life. Our first stop is the vibrant city of Jerusalem, a place of great spiritual significance for many. We'll walk through the bustling markets of the old city, where history is etched into every stone. But our journey doesn't end in Jerusalem. We'll immerse ourselves in the Palestinian culture, tasting traditional cuisine, enjoying lively music, and connecting with the warm-hearted locals. From the rolling hills of the West Bank to the breathtaking views in the Jordan Valley, Palestine is a land of stunning natural beauty. Our hike through the picturesque landscapes is an adventure you won't want to miss. No visit to Palestine is complete without exploring its historical sites. We'll take you to Bethlehem to see the birthplace of Jesus and visit the historic city of Hebron. Beyond the landscapes and architecture, Palestine is a place with deep stories of resilience and hope. We'll meet inspiring individuals who are shaping the future of this remarkable nation. As our journey through Palestine comes to an end, we hope you've been inspired by this incredible destination. This land has so much to offer, from its history to its culture, and its warm-hearted people. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel experiences. Until next time, keep exploring.